Welcome to SeedProd, the best drag and drop WordPress website builder and landing page builder on the market. In this video, we are announcing the brand new before and after toggle block and the new counter block. This update will help you increase engagement through interaction, showcase your business achievements, and build beautiful new websites with 11 new template kits. With the before and after toggle, you can offer website visitors an interactive experience that increases engagement with your content. More engagement can boost interest in your products or services, improve the decision-making process, and as a result, convert curious visitors into paying customers. For example, shoppers interested in a new beauty treatment may need evidence your product works before buying. With a before and after slider, you can offer side-by-side examples of your product's effectiveness before and after using it on a customer. Like any SeedProd block, you'll find several customization options to perfect your design. You can set a vertical or horizontal layout, choose an overlay color, move the slider on hover, and individually choose alignment settings for mobile and desktop. Next, let's talk about the brand new counter block. Social proof is evidence that other people have purchased and found value in a product or service offered by a business. But did you know that social proof can be more than testimonials and product reviews? Quantifiable data like over 150,000 customers is just as effective at building trust, conveying value, and improving conversions. It shows that your business has a large customer base and you know what you're doing because you work with so many people. You can enter starting and ending numbers for your counter along with number prefixes and suffixes. Plus, specifying an animation duration lets you engage visitors with animation effects. With advanced styling options for mobile and desktop devices and color and font settings, the counter block is 100% mobile responsive and customizable, ensuring visitors on any device will have a seamless experience. Besides these exciting new WordPress blocks, we're also busy designing new templates for your web design projects. Since our last announcement, we've added 11 new website kits. 4 of them are compatible with WooCommerce to sell products. That's all for now. Update your site to the latest version of SeedProd today to try these new exciting changes. Please remember these blocks are for paid SeedProd plans. To sign up today, please visit seedprod.com or click the link in the description below.